Welcome to Career Ready.ai. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of creating a custom assessment as a coach using our platform. You will learn how to create custom assessments from scratch or by using templates. We will cover how to set up assessment details, add competencies, customize questions and publish your assessment. Let us get started. First, navigate to the assessment section from your dashboard. Here you can create a new assessment for your program by either using a template or starting from scratch. To use a template, click on the From Template option. You will be able to preview various templates based on your assessment type. Once you've selected a template that fits your needs, click on the Modify Template button. To make any changes, you can use the left panel to customize different aspects of the template, and once you're satisfied with your modifications, click Publish. If you prefer to design your own assessment, click on Create Assessment, then choose From Scratch. Here, you can fully customize each part of the assessment, from the name and description to the types of questions and competencies you want to include. In the Basics tab, enter the assessment name and description. Choose your preferred assessment type and move on to the next section. You can customize the Likert scale for your assessment by selecting the number of points that fit your needs. If you want to create a custom Likert scale, click Create New, and define the number of points and their labels. After setting it up, hit Save. In the Raters section, you can select the types of raters you want to include by checking the appropriate options from the list. You can also create new rater types by clicking Create New. Next, go to the Competencies tab. Here you can select existing competencies, edit their names and descriptions, or reorder them via drag and drop. If needed, you can also import competencies by uploading an Excel file containing the competency details. In the Questions tab, you can choose questions from a pre-existing bank based on the category, competency, or level. You also have the option to create custom questions by clicking Add New Question and filling in the required fields. Once you have completed all the steps and are satisfied with the setup, click the Publish button to finalize your custom assessment.